Our planet is a fragile world filled with life and balance. Forests clean our air, and oceans regulate our climate. But human conflict has changed the Earth in ways we rarely see. When war begins, destruction spreads quickly. Fires consume cities, forests, and industrial centers. These fires release enormous clouds of smoke and pollution. The pollutants include carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and particulate matter. In 1991, during the Gulf War, hundreds of oil wells were set on fire. These fires burned for months, releasing massive pollution into the atmosphere. Black rain fell from the sky after those oil fires. Millions of hectares of forest were destroyed in conflicts like the Vietnam War. Chemical agents like Agent Orange caused long-lasting ecological damage. Some ecosystems still struggle to recover today. War pollution does not just harm nature. It damages human lungs, hearts, and immune systems. Modern militaries consume enormous amounts of fossil fuels. Their carbon emissions contribute to global climate change. We see the effects in melting glaciers, extreme weather, and wildfires. Pollution from war does not stay in one place. Smoke and toxins travel across the planet with atmospheric circulation. War leaves scars on the Earth, but recovery is possible if humanity chooses a different path. When war burns, the whole planet breathes the smoke.